Hello No community and welcome back. Let's start off by liking and subscribing to the channel. In this video we have the ultimate used car inspection checklist. Buying a used car can be daunting. You never truly know what you're going to get. Is it riddled with rust? Has it been in an accident? How was this car treated and was it properly maintained? Before signing on the dotted line and parting with your money, here's a handy checklist to go through to make sure you have your bases covered. We're presuming that you've done the necessary check to ensure that you can afford the car you're looking at. But once you have your sights set on the one, here's what you need to check. Chapter 1, the nitty-gritty. 1. Is the paperwork in order? Does the seller have the right to sell the car? 2. Is there anything owing on the car still? 3. Is the license up to date? 4. Was there a recent roadworthy? 5. Has an inspection been done and can the seller provide the report? Chapter 2, the shiny bits. 1. Are the panels all the same color and shade? 2. Are the panels smooth and straight? 3. Are the panel gaps consistent? 4. Do the lights all look the same age? No yellowing. 5. Are the lights whole? No cracks. 6. Is the windscreen intact? 7. Does the bodywork pass the magnet test? 8. Do the doors, boot and bonnet open and close properly? Chapter 3, they see me rolling. 1. Are all 4 tires the same brand, minimum same per axle? 2. Do the tires have sufficient tread? 3. Are there any signs of uneven wear on the tires? 4. Are the wheels original? 5. Are the wheels free of scuffs and chips? 6. Are the insides of the wheels free of grease and grime? 7. Do the brakes look good free of grooves? Chapter 4, under the skin. 1. Is the age of the components equal inside the engine bay? 2. Is the engine bay free of water stains and oil? 3. Any visible leaks? 4. Any suspect wiring? 5. Is the chassis straight and not wrinkled? 6. Is the boot floor free of wrinkles? 7. Are the spare wheels and tools there and accounted for? 8. Is there water residue in the boot? 9. Is there anything hanging from the car? 10. Are all the trays secured properly? 11. Any leaks visible on the underside? If you are finding value in the video, please like and subscribe. Chapter 5, hop on board. 1. Are the seats in a respectable condition for the age? 2. Is the carpet clean and free of stains? 3. Does the steering wheel and jerk knob wear match the mileage? 4. Are the interior trim pieces properly affixed and in good condition? 5. Standard or aftermarket radio? Could mean wiring issues. 6. Is there play in the steering wheel? Car off. 7. Is there excessive play in the gear selector? Car off. 8. Do the electronics work? Lights, windows, indicators, etc. Chapter 6, starter up. 1. Does the car have the original key? 2. Does the car start easily? 3. Does the engine smoke on startup? 4. Listen for strange noises or whines. 5. Does the air conditioning work? 6. Do the headlights, taillights, brake lights and indicators work? 7. Does the horn work? 8. Check for warning lights. Chapter 7, moving off. 1. Does the clutch take at an appropriate height? 2. Does the clutch shudder? 3. Does the car shudder when drive is selected? Autos. 4. Is there any play in the steering? 5. Do the brakes have sufficient feel and bite? 6. Does the engine rev smoothly without unnecessary noise or laboring? 7. Is the power as it should be for that model? 8. Any noises from the suspension? 9. Any noises from the brakes? 10. Any noises from the interior? 11. Does the car track straight and true under acceleration? 12. Does the car track straight and true when coasting? 13. Does the car track straight and true under braking? 14. Does the engine get up to operating temperature and stay there? Chapter 8, wrapping up. 1. Does the car idle when stopped? 2. Do the cooling fans come on when idling? 3. Any hissing sounds when idling after driving? 4. Any new leaks on the floor after driving? 5. Any strange smells? 6. Any smoke from the exhaust? From the checklist above you can then make an informed decision on whether to buy the vehicle or pass on to the next one. We have come to the end of this one, folks. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.